Scientists discover a new species lurking in the depths of the Southern Ocean. This is the Antarctic strawberry feather star.
In the heart of Antarctica, where few dare to venture, a drone has captured footage that is nothing short of mind-blowing. As it soars over the vast ice wall, it uncovers secrets that have been hidden beneath the frozen surface for centuries. From mysterious creatures to possible signs of ancient civilizations, what lies beyond the ice could change everything we know about our planet's most remote continent. Get ready, because this footage will leave you questioning everything you thought you knew about Antarctica. The frozen continent revealed. Antarctica, a land of extremes, remains one of the most unexplored and enigmatic continents on Earth. Its frozen expanse is both a barrier and a gateway to secrets buried beneath thick layers of ice. Historically, the icy terrain has kept many of its mysteries hidden, and few have dared to venture deep into its interior. However, recent technological advancements, such as drones designed to withstand the freezing temperatures, are allowing scientists and explorers to capture footage that offers unprecedented glimpses into the frozen world. The most recent breakthrough is a shocking drone flyover that reveals not only the sheer size of the ice walls, but hints at what could be lurking beyond. The ice walls of Antarctica, which rise thousands of feet above the frozen landscape, have long intrigued scientists. These natural barriers hold vital clues to the planet's past, including the history of Earth's climate, its early ecosystems, and the movement of tectonic plates. As drones have increasingly become the eyes of modern exploration, they have uncovered new layers of understanding about this desolate yet fascinating region. The footage captured by these drones has left the scientific community speechless, raising questions about what lies beneath these imposing ice sheets. With every new discovery, the continent reveals more of its enigmatic past. In the footage, the sheer scale of the ice walls is staggering, towering structures of frozen water that have stood for millions of years. These ice walls are not just physical barriers, they are temporal records, trapping ancient atmospheric conditions, organisms, and climatic data within their depths. The drone flyover captured vast stretches of the icy surface, offering the first real-time bird's-eye view of this frozen world. It's an area that, until now, has remained largely out of reach for human researchers. With the help of modern technology, it's possible to capture previously unseen aspects of the continent, making the future of Antarctic exploration more exciting than ever. What's even more astonishing is the potential for new discoveries hidden beneath these walls. The footage showcases the pristine, untouched nature of the continent, with no human footprints to be seen. Despite the harsh conditions, life is teeming beneath the ice, as revealed by recent discoveries of unique species and ancient fossils. With drones now able to explore these uncharted territories, it's only a matter of time before more of Antarctica's hidden gems come to light. The implications of these discoveries could change not only our understanding of the planet's natural history, but also our ideas about life itself. Could these massive ice walls be guarding more than just ancient data? What secrets, from unknown species to lost civilizations, could they hold within their frozen depths? A hidden ecosystem beneath the ice. While much of Antarctica's surface is desolate and devoid of life, scientists have recently begun to uncover a thriving ecosystem beneath the ice. Thanks to advanced technology, including underwater drones, researchers have discovered thriving marine life that survives in the frozen waters. One of the most exciting finds was the Antarctic strawberry feather star, a species that had never been seen before. These discoveries challenge long-standing assumptions about life in extreme cold and open up new avenues for exploration. The unique organisms found beneath Antarctica's ice are not only surviving but flourishing in conditions that seem impossible. The Southern Ocean, where these species reside, is one of the most inhospitable environments on Earth, with freezing temperatures and limited food sources. Despite these challenges, organisms like the strawberry feather star have adapted to the harsh environment, finding ways to survive and thrive. Their ability to flourish in such an extreme habitat speaks to the resilience of life and the vast potential for undiscovered species that still exist beneath the ice. Beneath the ice, a diverse array of creatures, including giant sea spiders, ice fish, and even unique species of krill have adapted to their environment in remarkable ways. These creatures have developed specialized mechanisms to endure the freezing temperatures, such as antifreeze proteins in their blood that prevent ice formation. This adaptation allows them to continue to function even in temperatures that would kill most other life forms. The recent drone footage has captured incredible images of these creatures, offering researchers a closer look at their survival strategies and providing new insights into the complexity of life in Antarctica. As drones continue to capture images and videos of the icy depths, scientists are realizing that the ecosystem beneath the ice is far more complex than they ever imagined. Each new discovery leads to more questions about how life on Earth can survive in such extreme conditions. The drone footage in particular has been instrumental in mapping the underwater world, allowing for a better understanding of the complex relationships between different species. This hidden ecosystem, once thought to be impossible, is now a focal point of scientific research, offering endless possibilities for future discoveries. Could Antarctica's hidden ecosystems be more advanced and complex than we realize? What other creatures, perhaps even more incredible than the ones already discovered, are waiting to be found? The Weddell seal's unbelievable survival skills. Among the many unique species found in Antarctica, one stands out for its remarkable survival abilities: the Weddell seal. The only mammal that can live in Antarctica year-round, the Weddell seal has adapted to the extreme cold of the Antarctic waters in extraordinary ways. Unlike most seals, which migrate to warmer waters, Weddell seals remain in Antarctica, spending much of their lives beneath the thick ice. These seals rely on natural cracks in the ice to create breathing holes, using sharp, strong teeth to scrape away the ice and keep their breathing holes open. The Weddell seal's physical adaptations allow it to survive in one of the harshest environments on the planet. Its thick fur coat provides insulation against the freezing temperatures, and its large, powerful body enables it to withstand the pressures of the icy waters. During mating season, the Weddell seals compete for prime breeding holes, with males often calling out to females from several kilometers away. This unique method of survival in such an extreme climate makes the Weddell seal a fascinating subject for researchers studying the ways in which animals can adapt to life in Antarctica. Despite the extreme cold, the Weddell seals spend much of their time underwater, diving for food and staying submerged for up to an hour at a time. They use their specialized teeth to carve out breathing holes in the ice, ensuring a constant supply of oxygen during their time underwater. The competition between males for the best breathing holes is fierce, and during mating season, these areas become vital for reproduction. The seal's ability to navigate this treacherous environment, relying on both their physical strength and specialized adaptations, is a testament to their incredible survival instincts. One of the most fascinating aspects of the Weddell seal's lifestyle is its ability to thrive in the harsh, uninhabited expanse of Antarctica, where few other animals can endure such extreme conditions. Researchers are just beginning to understand the full extent of these seals' survival mechanisms, and with each new discovery, the complexity of their adaptations becomes clearer. The Weddell seals are a living example of the incredible resilience of life in Antarctica and serve as a symbol of nature's ability to adapt and thrive in even the most unforgiving environments. If these seals can survive in one of the coldest places on Earth, what other creatures might be hidden away, adapting to environments we thought were inhospitable? The emperor penguin's harsh journey. No animal is more synonymous with Antarctica than the emperor penguin. These majestic creatures are the largest of all penguin species, and they are uniquely adapted to survive the continent's harsh winters. Unlike other species, emperor penguins breed during the Antarctic winter, embarking on long, grueling treks across miles of ice to reach their breeding colonies. The footage captured by drones reveals the staggering distances these penguins travel to secure their future generations, braving freezing winds and blizzards in their quest to reproduce. The emperor penguin's reproductive strategy is extraordinary. After a female lays her single egg, she passes it to the male, who then incubates it for over 2 months in sub-zero temperatures. During this incubation period, the males fast and endure the freezing conditions, huddling together for warmth and protection. Once the chicks hatch, both parents take turns foraging for food in the sea, bringing nourishment back to their young. This unique parenting strategy allows the emperor penguin to raise its young in one of the harshest environments known to any animal on Earth. Survival in such extreme conditions requires more than just physical endurance. It also demands exceptional physiological adaptations. Emperor penguins possess a specially adapted hemoglobin that allows them to absorb more oxygen from the frigid waters, and their solid bones reduce the risk of barotrauma when diving deep. Their feathers are densely packed to trap heat, and their large bodies provide insulation against the cold. These adaptations enable the penguins to endure the long Antarctic nights and survive through months of freezing temperatures, making them one of the most resilient species on the planet. In the face of climate change, the emperor penguin's future is uncertain, but their resilience remains a remarkable example of nature's ability to adapt. The stunning footage captured by drones gives us a closer look at their journey and provides insights into the immense challenges these penguins face every year. As we learn more about their adaptations, scientists hope to use this knowledge to protect these incredible birds from the ongoing threats posed by a warming climate. With their extraordinary survival skills, what other animals in Antarctica may hold the secret to enduring the most extreme conditions on Earth? The mysterious Antarctic sea spider. The Antarctic sea spider, often mistaken for an arachnid lost at sea, is far from what it first appears. These fascinating creatures, with their long, spindly legs and alien-like appearance, are perfectly adapted to the cold, dark waters of the Southern Ocean. Unlike typical land spiders, sea spiders are not fast movers. Instead, they glide effortlessly through the water, using their lengthy limbs to navigate the soft, muddy seafloor. Their unique body structure, where vital organs are housed within their legs, makes them one of the most peculiar and intriguing species found beneath the Antarctic ice dot. Despite their delicate and strange appearance, sea spiders have developed impressive survival tactics. In the deep, dark depths of the Antarctic waters, where sunlight barely penetrates, these creatures are highly specialized for life in near-complete darkness. Their long legs allow them to move without disturbing the ocean floor, while their specialized features help them to breathe and feed more efficiently. Though their movements may seem slow, their ability to survive in such a challenging environment is a testament to the adaptability of life in Antarctica. The reproductive cycle of sea spiders is just as unique. Males play an important role in caring for the eggs, and their approach to mating and raising young is quite different from that of most marine species. In some species, males carry fertilized eggs until they hatch, offering protection during the early stages of life. This unusual form of parental care may be one of the reasons why sea spiders have managed to survive in such a hostile environment for millions of years. Their reproductive habits continue to intrigue scientists, as they present a fascinating opportunity to study evolution in action. Researchers are still uncovering new aspects of the sea spider's life and behavior. With drones now able to access previously unreachable depths, there's hope that new footage and data will provide even more insights into the role of these extraordinary creatures in the Antarctic ecosystem. Every new discovery brings us closer to understanding how life, however strange, can adapt to the harshest environments on Earth. What other bizarre creatures might be thriving in Antarctica's deep, cold waters, waiting for us to discover their secrets? Could these sea spiders be just the beginning of more incredible marine life yet to be uncovered? The hidden world of tardigrades. Tardigrades, also known as water bears, are microscopic creatures that have fascinated scientists for years. These tiny, indestructible animals can survive some of the most extreme conditions known to life, including freezing temperatures, extreme heat, and even the vacuum of space. In Antarctica, tardigrades are found in the moss and lichen that cling to the surface of rocks, thriving in an environment that would otherwise be inhospitable to most species. The ability of these creatures to survive in the most extreme conditions on Earth raises questions about the resilience of life and the possibility of similar organisms living elsewhere in the universe. What makes tardigrades so unique is their ability to enter a state called cryptobiosis, essentially shutting down their metabolic processes to survive in the harshest conditions. During this period, they lose almost all of their water content and become almost completely inactive. Once conditions improve, they rehydrate and resume normal activities as though nothing had happened. This extraordinary survival strategy has enabled tardigrades to withstand conditions such as extreme radiation, intense pressure, and even complete dehydration, challenges that would kill most other life forms in Antarctica. Tardigrades are often found in the thick ice and in small pockets of water, where they remain in a dormant state until the conditions are right for revival. Despite their tiny size, these creatures are incredibly resilient and have been found in some of the most extreme environments on Earth, including the icy shores of Antarctica. Their ability to survive in such harsh conditions makes them a key focus of scientific research, as understanding their biology could open doors to new possibilities in biotechnology and space exploration. Tardigrades are not only a marvel of survival, they also offer insights into how life can thrive in extreme environments. The resilience of tardigrades has prompted many scientists to study them in the hope of understanding how life might survive on other planets, such as Mars. Their ability to endure the vacuum of space and radiation makes them prime candidates for research into how organisms might survive in outer space. As we continue to explore Antarctica's mysteries, it's likely that the tardigrades will play an important role in shaping our understanding of life's potential beyond Earth. Could tardigrades hold the key to understanding life beyond Earth? What secrets do these microscopic creatures hold about survival in extreme environments, and could they provide clues to life on other planets? Antarctica's top predator, the leopard seal. In the frozen waters of Antarctica, the leopard seal reigns as one of the top predators. Sleek, powerful, and agile, these seals are capable hunters, capable of catching a wide range of prey, including fish, squid, and even penguins. Unlike other seals that hunt in groups, leopard seals are solitary hunters, using their incredible speed and stealth to capture their prey in the icy waters. With long, sharp teeth and the ability to leap from the water and onto ice floes, the leopard seal's hunting methods are as fascinating as they are deadly. The leopard seal's physical adaptations make it a formidable predator. It has an elongated body, powerful flippers, and sharp teeth designed for catching and tearing apart prey. Its speed and agility in the water allow it to chase down fish and squid with ease, while its stealthy approach enables it to surprise unsuspecting penguins and other seals. Despite their prowess as hunters, leopard seals are also known for their solitary behavior, preferring to live alone except during mating season. This solitary nature further adds to their mystique and reputation as the Antarctic Sea's ultimate predators. Leopard seals are not just skilled hunters, they also display remarkable intelligence and curiosity. Researchers have observed them interacting with other species, including penguins, and even engaging in playful behaviors. Their interactions with other animals are complex, and scientists are only beginning to understand the full extent of these relationships. In fact, some studies suggest that leopard seals may even use tools or other objects in their environment to assist with hunting. Their ability to adapt to the ever-changing Antarctic environment makes them one of the most intriguing predators in the world. As one of the largest predators in Antarctica, the leopard seal plays a crucial role in maintaining the balance of the ecosystem. By controlling populations of fish and other marine animals, they help keep the food chain in check. However, their position as apex predators is threatened by the changing climate and the loss of sea ice. As researchers continue to monitor the impact of climate change on Antarctica's wildlife, the leopard seal's role in the ecosystem will be increasingly important to study. With their unmatched hunting abilities and complex behaviors, could the leopard seal hold more secrets about the ecosystems beneath the ice? What role does this apex predator play in maintaining the fragile balance of life in Antarctica? The colossal squid, a deep-sea giant. The colossal squid is one of the most mysterious and awe-inspiring creatures of the Southern Ocean. Known for its massive size and otherworldly appearance, the colossal squid has long captured the imagination of researchers. These creatures can grow up to 46 feet in length and are equipped with enormous eyes that are as large as dinner plates, perfectly suited to their deep-sea environment where light is scarce. The colossal squid's ability to survive in the extreme depths of Antarctica's waters makes it one of the most extraordinary animals in the world. In addition to its size, the colossal squid's tentacles are covered in sharp hooks, which help it capture prey like the Patagonian toothfish. These hooks allow the squid to latch onto its prey with ease, and its massive beak tears apart its food with incredible efficiency. Despite their intimidating features, colossal squids are elusive creatures that prefer to remain in the extreme depths of the ocean, where they are protected from predators and the harsh conditions of the surface. Scientists have only recently begun to uncover the full extent of their behavior and hunting strategies. What makes the colossal squid even more fascinating is the fact that it is a solitary creature. Unlike many marine animals that gather in groups or schools, the colossal squid lives alone in the deepest parts of the ocean. Its ability to survive at depths of up to 7,200 feet is due to its adaptations to extreme pressure and low temperatures. Scientists have only recently started to explore these deep ocean habitats, and with each discovery, they are uncovering more about the elusive life of the colossal squid. As the largest squid species in the world, the colossal squid plays an important role in Antarctica's marine food chain. It is a primary food source for sperm whales, which hunt these creatures in the deep, dark waters of the Southern Ocean. The mysterious life of the colossal squid has captivated researchers for years, and with advancements in underwater drone technology, scientists are now able to capture incredible footage of these elusive creatures in their natural habitat. What secrets will future discoveries reveal about this deep-sea giant? What other creatures, hidden in the depths of Antarctica's icy waters, remain to be discovered? How will the colossal squid's role in the Antarctic ecosystem shape our understanding of marine life? Ancient tunnels and lost treasures. Beneath the ice shelves of Antarctica, researchers have uncovered hidden tunnels and caves that have been frozen for millennia. These ancient structures provide a glimpse into Antarctica's past, when the continent was far warmer and teeming with life. The recent discovery of large tunnels beneath the Filchner ice shelf has completely changed our understanding of how ice melts and how water flows beneath the surface. These tunnels, some as tall as 820 feet, were thought to be non-existent, and the implications of their discovery are profound, offering new insights into Antarctica's climate history and how the melting of ice could affect global sea levels. These tunnels are not just geological features, they are a record of Earth's past climate. Scientists have been using advanced radar and satellite imaging to map these structures, which were hidden beneath thick layers of ice. By understanding how water flows through these channels, researchers can better predict future changes in the Antarctic ice sheet and the subsequent rise in global sea levels. The discovery of these tunnels has shifted the focus of climate studies, as understanding the dynamics beneath the ice is now seen as crucial to predicting the future state of our planet's climate. In addition to these climate implications, some of the tunnels also house ancient fossils, preserved in ice for millions of years. These fossils are providing researchers with a glimpse into a time when Antarctica was not the frozen, barren land it is today. Fossils of ancient beetles, plant material, and other life forms suggest that the continent was once covered with lush vegetation and a much warmer climate. As scientists continue to study these ancient treasures, they may uncover vital information about how life evolved in such extreme conditions and what it can teach us about future climate change. The exploration of these hidden areas beneath the ice also opens the possibility of finding more historical artifacts that could change our understanding of Antarctica's ancient past. In a remote corner of the Antarctic Peninsula, researchers uncovered artifacts from early explorers, providing a poignant reminder of the continent's human history. This discovery, which includes items such as old photographs and personal belongings, paints a picture of the challenges faced by those who ventured into Antarctica long before modern technology made it possible to study the region in detail. What other secrets could be hidden in these ancient tunnels? Could the artifacts and fossils buried deep beneath the ice hold the answers to some of the world's most pressing climate questions? The mysterious frozen ATM at the South Pole. Amidst the desolation of Antarctica's frozen expanse, there exists an unusual and unexpected object, an ATM. Located at McMurdo Station, the largest research station in Antarctica, this machine is the only one of its kind in the harsh, frigid landscape. The ATM, maintained by Wells Fargo, provides a lifeline for the small number of personnel stationed at McMurdo, allowing them to access cash in a place where few amenities exist. This surprising discovery in one of the coldest, most remote regions on Earth highlights the curious mix of modern technology and the harshest environments on the planet. The ATM is crucial for the day-to-day operations at McMurdo Station, which supports scientific research and studies focused on everything from climate change to geology and biology. Though it may seem out of place in such a remote location, the ATM provides an essential service, helping the scientists and staff purchase supplies, access funds for personal needs, and even send mail. The station operates year-round, with the population fluctuating between 200 in the winter and up to 1,000 in the summer. As the only point of access to cash for the station's inhabitants, the ATM is a vital piece of infrastructure that keeps daily operations running smoothly. Maintaining the ATM is no simple task. Every 2 years, a team of technicians is flown in to service and update the machine, performing a delicate job in one of the harshest climates on Earth. The technicians undergo rigorous training to handle the extreme cold and isolation, ensuring that they can make necessary repairs in case the machine breaks down. In the event of an emergency, McMurdo's personnel are also trained to perform basic repairs, ensuring that the ATM remains operational at all times, despite the freezing temperatures and harsh weather conditions. This ATM serves as an interesting paradox, an everyday piece of technology that seems almost comically out of place in one of the world's most isolated regions. However, it underscores the importance of modern technology even in the most inhospitable environments. It is a reminder that, no matter how remote or extreme, the need for connection, survival, and commerce persists, even in Antarctica. What other unusual pieces of technology might be hidden in the most extreme places on Earth? How do the people living in such an isolated world adapt to their extreme surroundings? The discovery of Shackleton's endurance. The story of Ernest Shackleton's ill-fated 1914 Antarctic expedition has long been a tale of survival against all odds. Shackleton and his crew became stranded when their ship, the Endurance, was trapped by ice, forcing them to abandon the vessel. After months of struggle and desperation, Shackleton and his men made an incredible escape. But the Endurance was left behind, its exact location a mystery for nearly a century. In 2022, almost 100 years after it was lost, the shipwreck of the Endurance was finally discovered in the Weddell Sea, remarkably preserved under the ice dot. The discovery of the Endurance is not only a monumental historical event, but a miraculous feat of preservation. The ship, which had been encased in ice and submerged for nearly 100 years, was found almost perfectly intact. Its wooden frame, sails, and even the ship's wheel remained largely undisturbed, offering a window into the past. The freezing temperatures of the Weddell Sea helped preserve the ship, preventing it from deteriorating like most shipwrecks. The Endurance stands as a time capsule, offering clues about Shackleton's legendary expedition and providing a tangible connection to one of the most heroic survival stories in history. The wreck of the Endurance provides an incredible snapshot of early 20th century exploration. The ship's design, equipment, and tools offer insight into the challenges Shackleton's crew faced as they navigated the harsh Antarctic environment. Scientists and historians are now carefully examining the wreckage to uncover more about Shackleton's journey and the events that led to the crew's miraculous escape. The discovery raises new questions about how explorers in the early 1900s managed to survive the brutal conditions of Antarctica, and how modern technology is changing our ability to study these events. While Shackleton's story of survival is well known, the discovery of the Endurance deepens our understanding of what these explorers endured. The preservation of the wreck is a testament to the continent's unique ability to preserve the past in ways other environments cannot. As researchers continue to study the Endurance, we are gaining a deeper appreciation for the harsh realities of Antarctic exploration and the lengths to which humanity will go to survive in the world's most extreme environment. What other forgotten pieces of history lie buried beneath Antarctica's ice? Could more ancient relics and ships remain frozen in time, waiting for discovery? The tale of the frozen fruitcake. Among the most unusual discoveries in Antarctica is a fruitcake that was found remarkably preserved in an old hut. In 2017, the Antarctic Heritage Trust uncovered the cake inside a tin, wrapped in wax paper, at a site used by early explorers. The fruitcake, which was over 100 years old, had been kept frozen for decades, preserving it in perfect condition. The cake's resilience speaks to the power of Antarctica's freezing temperatures, which act as a natural refrigerator, keeping items from decomposing over time. The fruitcake, which had been left behind by a member of Ernest Shackleton's expedition, was not just a culinary oddity. It was a symbol of the harsh conditions faced by early Antarctic explorers. The cake had been intended as a source of energy and warmth during the difficult journey, but it was abandoned along with other supplies when the crew's plans went awry. The preserved fruitcake serves as a poignant reminder of the extreme challenges faced by these early explorers and the survival strategies they employed. Even though the fruitcake remained perfectly preserved, no one dared to taste it, as the conditions under which it was preserved were not ideal for human consumption. Still, the find has captured the imaginations of many, as it offers a glimpse into the daily lives of early Antarctic explorers and their resourcefulness in dealing with the harsh conditions. The fruitcake is now a part of Antarctic history, preserved in a museum for future generations to marvel at. As strange as it may seem, the frozen fruitcake has become one of the many iconic discoveries made in Antarctica over the years. It reminds us that the continent is not just a place of scientific exploration, but a repository of human history, where relics from past expeditions remain hidden beneath the ice, waiting to be uncovered. Could other, even more unusual artifacts be waiting for discovery in Antarctica's frozen tombs? What other pieces of history have been preserved in this desolate landscape, the loneliest ATM in the world? Amidst Antarctica's endless white expanse lies the loneliest ATM in the world, stationed at McMurdo Station, the largest research facility on the continent. For most of the year, only a handful of people remain at McMurdo, surrounded by nothing but ice and snow. Yet this ATM, a rare touch of modern convenience, is a crucial lifeline for the scientists and staff working in one of the most isolated places on Earth. It provides a connection to the outside world, offering the ability to access cash in an environment that is otherwise barren of typical services. While the ATM may seem like an oddity in such a remote place, it plays an essential role in the daily lives of those stationed at McMurdo. Located in the station's recreation area, it allows the small population to purchase goods, pay for meals, or buy a drink at the local bar. The ATM is even used to send mail and purchase supplies from the station's small store. Its presence highlights the human need for connection, even in one of the world's most inhospitable places. Maintaining the ATM is no easy task. Every 2 years, a team of technicians is flown in to service and update the machine and ensure it remains operational. These technicians face some of the harshest conditions on Earth, navigating sub-zero temperatures, blizzards, and the isolation that comes with working in Antarctica. Their role is critical, as McMurdo Station depends on this ATM for basic operations, and if it were to break down, the isolation would become even more pronounced. With only a small number of people stationed there during the winter months, ensuring that the ATM remains functional is an essential task that requires careful planning and preparation. Despite its unusual location, the ATM serves as a symbol of the resilience of modern technology in the face of extreme environments. In a place where most human comforts are stripped away, this simple machine provides a connection to the outside world. It's a reminder of how technology has become an indispensable part of human survival, even in the most remote and inhospitable locations. The ATM at McMurdo Station exemplifies how modern life, no matter how isolated, can still rely on the conveniences of a globalized world. The isolated nature of McMurdo Station raises intriguing questions about how humans adapt to life in such extreme conditions. The presence of the ATM, along with the other technological infrastructure, allows the researchers and staff to maintain some semblance of normal life. It also highlights the adaptability of humans in the face of extreme isolation, as people continue to live and work in one of the most unforgiving environments on the planet. The ATM at McMurdo is not just a tool for transactions, it's a lifeline in a world where survival is defined by the ability to adapt to the cold, vast expanse of Antarctica. What other surprising technological marvels might be hidden in Antarctica? Could this ATM be just one example of how humans are finding ways to survive and thrive in Earth's most extreme environments? Ancient secrets beneath Antarctica's ice. The icy depths of Antarctica are home to secrets that have remained untouched for millions of years. Scientists have long suspected that beneath the continent's thick ice sheets lie ancient mysteries that could reshape our understanding of the planet's past. From ancient fossils to evidence of past civilizations, the possibility of discoveries beneath the ice is tantalizing. The recent drone flyovers and ice core samples have given researchers the tools to peer into Antarctica's past, unearthing not only clues about the continent's ancient ecosystems, but also about the larger forces that have shaped the Earth. The ice sheets of Antarctica hold vast amounts of information about the planet's climate history. As the ice accumulates over time, it traps air bubbles, dust, and other materials that offer insights into past temperatures, atmospheric conditions, and even volcanic activity. By analyzing these ice cores, scientists can reconstruct climate models and better understand the Earth's evolution. However, what's even more astounding is the possibility that ancient life forms preserved for millions of years might be hidden deep within the ice. Some researchers speculate that evidence of early life, potentially from a time when the continent was warmer and more hospitable, could be locked within the frozen layers. In addition to ancient life, there are theories about human activity on the continent long before modern explorers arrived. Archaeological evidence uncovered in the 1980s on Livingston Island, such as a skull and bones, suggests that early indigenous peoples from South America might have reached Antarctica centuries ago. These findings have sparked further speculation about ancient civilizations that could have inhabited or explored the frozen continent long before Shackleton and his crew. As drones continue to map uncharted territories, the prospect of uncovering more artifacts from these ancient explorers is becoming increasingly plausible. The mystery of Antarctica is far from solved, and as technology advances, so too does our ability to uncover the continent's deepest secrets. The drone footage of the ice wall has opened the door to further exploration and discovery, allowing us to see Antarctica not as a barren wasteland, but as a place teeming with untold stories. The ancient secrets buried beneath its ice may soon be revealed, offering a profound understanding of Earth's distant past and possibly our future. Could Antarctica hold the key to unlocking mysteries about the origins of life on Earth or even lost human civilizations? What ancient secrets still remain hidden beneath its vast ice sheets, waiting to be discovered? Well, that's it for today's deep dive into the shocking footage captured by the drone over Antarctica's ice wall. The secrets of this frozen world are slowly being uncovered, and the possibilities are endless. What do you think is hiding beneath the ice? Ancient creatures, lost civilizations, or something even more extraordinary? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.